I'm a hiker, and with the little space I have to carry stuff, I want to be able to remember moments like these forever. That's why the MySight 360 is the perfect solution. The MySight 360 can capture everything in beautiful 4K without needing a big rig or heavy equipment to get stable shots. And if the trail gets bumpy or the camera isn't in the right position, the MySight 360 keeps videos level with its built-in calibration. The horizon optimization ensures level viewing, and it makes sure your viewing quality isn't sacrificed by unexpected camera positioning or tilting. The stable calibration minimizes motion with gimbal-like quality without the excess weight and equipment. And it's water resistant, so the MySight 360 can capture the entire experience, rain or shine. Plus, if you need to change the position, it only takes a second. When I get to a place with a great view, I know that the MySight 360 is getting the best quality photos and videos. On my way back, I can start posting right away. The MySight 360 app uses artificial intelligence to create a feature called LifeLog, which looks at all the videos from my hike and stitches the best parts of them together into one clip. That way, I don't have to go through hours of footage.
Hi, I'm Jimmy, founder of MySight 360. I want to create the world's first wearable VR camera designed for outdoor fanatics. And we need your help to make it a reality. Please visit our Kickstarter page to learn more about MySight 360 and support our campaign. Thank you.